Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, guys. And if you have problems where the driver power window does not work, you want to find where the fuse is located, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll be demonstrating on a 2015 Fiat 500, but it actually may work on multiple generations, multiple years actually, that generation Fiat 500. So let's explain where that fuse is located now. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So the fuse for the driver power window is actually located inside the vehicle. It's hidden, guys. Okay, you have a fuse box under the hood, but you have one fuse box that's hidden inside the vehicle as well. So if you come right here now, okay, let's show you now. You come right here. That's the fuse. That's the interior of the car. The fuse box is located right under the steering wheel where the pedals are. And if you pay attention, guys, okay, right there, the last fuse, that 20 amp fuse, that fuse right here, that's the one for the driver power window. Now, I will always recommend you guys, okay, test the fuses. If you remove it and you see it's good, never assume it's good. Always test it, because if it's bad, you may and you think it's good, you may end up spending so much time and money trying to fix that problem. So I'll put a link to a special video that explains how to test the fuse. Another thing, if you need to buy replacement fuses for a really good price, they're super cheap, guys. I'll put the link in the description of the video below as well for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you want to see the top 3 why power window does not work on Fiat, we'll have that video coming on the channel as well. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.